Hello and welcome to another Your Next Car UK video. It's James here bringing a video on a Bmw 330 diesel convertible. So we had this vehicle part exchanged over the weekend, so we thought we'd bring you a little video and a little bit of detail on this car. So we'll start with a little walk around the outside and talk you through some of the options and spec it has. So as you can see, it does have the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps, as you can see in operation there. It is a stunning vehicle. It has only covered just over 77,000 miles and it has only had 4 previous owners, so relatively low owners for a convertible. Tend to be have more owners than that. Moving around to the side, we have the 18-inch MV3 alloys. These are all in relatively good condition. 1 or 2 slight little curb marks, however no huge damage, and they do look really nice with the silver standard finish with the silver of the body colour too. Inside we have a heated leather with all memory electric seats in the front too. Of course, being the convertible, still good amount of room in there, and of course ISOFIX base ready as well. Really great condition. It obviously has been very well looked after by all of its owners. I've also got out the little bit of history that we do have with the vehicle for you. So there you can see it will have only had 4 owners. We have got a good service history. And there we have a couple of stamps done at main dealers. So we have 2 stamps there. In total we have 6 stamps in the service book, and the most recent one was done at 65396. So very good service history, and as I say, the condition of the vehicle is very good. It obviously has been very well looked after. I know the previous owner has looked after it very well and was quite reluctant to upgrade out of the vehicle, as they have enjoyed their time with the vehicle. They have owned it for a total of 4 years, so they've had it a good amount of time and have enjoyed the good use out of it. However, they've decided to move on into a 4 Series Coupe. So moving around the back, obviously you can see the parking sensors. This vehicle does benefit from having front and rear parking sensors. Obviously the boot, with the roof folded, you still have got a bit of space in there. However, with the roof up, which I'll show you in just a moment, there's a good amount of room anyway. So inside the car, we have the power folding mirrors. We have the automatic headlamps. I'll start the car up now. So there we have, of course, as I mentioned earlier, the heated seats. We have a wide range of the multimedia inputs: tuner, CD, USB and aux. We've got the lovely automatic gearbox with the flappy pedals. Well, as I say, automatic lights, automatic wipers, and there's that odometer reading, so just a touch over 77,000 miles. And I'll now give you a little demonstration of the roof in operation, just to show you how well it does still all operate as you'd typically expect with any BMW convertible. It works just as good as the day it came out of the factory. So this vehicle has just gone onto our website, where you can view up to 30 images of it, and it is priced ready to drive away for 7,991. And of course we still offer finance on all of our part exchange vehicles, and we do also welcome finance arranged out of house. So if you want to arrange your own finance, that's absolutely not a problem with us here at Your Next Car. So there's the roof up now, guys. We have the volume controls, voice controls. We also have the cruise control on this model. And as I say, it does have the front and rear parking sensors. So now with the hardtop folded up, an even more stunning looking vehicle. For further information, please do feel free to give us a call on 0115 822 9431. And as I say, it is priced ready to drive away for 7,991. Okay guys, that's it from me here on this BMW 330 diesel convertible. Cheers guys, bye bye.